Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to become a programmer, confidently want to write programs, develop projects in the entire language, what are the main important topics? Three topics. If you master these three topics, logic writing will become so easy to you and you will enjoy. The three topics come. First, operators. Second, control flow statements. Third, arrays. If you master these three topics, if you know each and every point around these three topics, writing logic is very easy. Next, once you learn these three topics, you have to apply the three topics knowledge in developing logical programs. Okay, what are the logical programs? Pattern programs, number based programs, character based programs, array based programs. Of course, string based programs also you have to develop, that we'll see next. Searching and sorting algorithms. If you master these five topics, many programs if you try, then you will get good confidence, strong level of thinking, logical thinking, problem solving thinking you can achieve. You will get, okay. Next, string programs. So these are the 6 levels of program completed. Nowadays what happening in interview, people are not asking write a program to find the max of 2 numbers in a regular way. They are asking use a stream API. Okay, find the number of values available in the array by using stream API. Find the length of the string by using stream API. So that's why you should master again all these programs by using stream API. Okay, next, these programs only can help you to write the better programs, but in company most of the time these programs you will work with files and work with what? Collections. That's why these 9 set of programs if you able to write, then you will have full confidence. Are you ready to learn? I am ready to help you to improve your logical programming. Are you ready? I am going to release daily one video on logical programming as I promised you. Start from today. You can start practicing one by one. Daily one video will come, you practice that points and then get ready for developing all these logics. First, I will train you on these 3 chapters. First, I will train you on operators, control flow statements, arrays. Once I feel you have sufficient confidence, then we'll go for logical programming. Clear? Get ready for this new challenge. Subscribe to Naresh IT channel. Thank you.